Welcome to SNAFU'D Adventures. We're on day 3 of our St. Croix River adventure. We started at Gordon Dam in Gordon, Wisconsin, and made our way to Louise Landing. From there, we paddled to where we are now at Riverside Landing. We are fueling up with a big breakfast today, so we have the strength to fight off all the mosquitoes. Subscribe to follow more of our adventures. Thank you for watching.
I'm hungry, man. Jeff's in here.
Ready, set, go!
First round. There's almost like a nice path right through the center though.
He's peeing. Ooh, the shade is nice. Unload! Unload!
Go, Scout!
Unload,
go.
Scout!
How buggy is it? Hand me your bow line.
It's snack time.
Right here.
125.
You have a knife?
Yeah, let's do a snack.
Look at all the bugs down here. Holy
I know,
fuck.
that's what I was saying. I was getting attacked back here. I'm ready to go. Yeah, they're coming out.
One.
Yeah, let's go. Oh, there's mosquitoes. I can't chill.
Oh,
Howdy ho!
we're going backwards.
Oh, mosquitoes everywhere.
Yeah, they really found us.
Let's go in
Holy shit.
the middle of the river. Let's link up and eat our snacks, but then we're gonna have to paddle.
Mosquitoes.
You got anything
I know.
sharp?
It shouldn't be too bad. It's only what time? 2, 3?
There's a set of rapids just before going under the bridge for 48 and 77.
Okay.
And it says stay to the Wisconsin side of channel.
It says minute cast on this says rain and a thunderstorm starting in 55 minutes. I think we might be okay. We'll see how it plays out. Maybe we should paddle and try to get it behind us somewhere.
Probably. I think we're gonna get hit.
It's like 2 trees fell over at the same time.
Well, the roots are probably tangled together.
Yeah.
Yeah, it seems like it's passed behind us now. Yeah, that'd be nice for winter camping too, with a wide open area.
So when we get up here, we're gonna want to go to the other side of the river
Okay,
soon.
because right now I'm enjoying this current that
Yeah.
we're in. Let's just hold up a minute, take a break, let these guys catch up.
Except we could go like away from these flies.
Yeah.
That's what I said. Get away from these flies. Yeah, I don't want to camp there.
Fuck no.
Well, okay, you can kind of see the ledge versus.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't know how gravel a lot of that ledge would be.
I'm cruising through here though.
Jesse did a pretty good job for as far as not being like a super experienced paddler.
This runs along Wisconsin and Minnesota until it hits the Mississippi.
Yeah, so everything on your left is Wisconsin.
Yeah.
Everything on your right's Minnesota.
What about this in the middle?
You fight over it.
It's no man's land.
Parallel parking.
Paddle forward. Oh, the mosquitoes were starting to find us.
We only got 4 miles to go.
Got this one.
And you.
I know, we're cruising. We got a 4-stroke going on here.
Everyone's paddling.
Unload.
We stopped paddling and set up camp at Little Yellow Banks. We went for a sunset swim and then ate protein bars for dinner while we hid from the mosquitoes in our tents. Don't forget to subscribe for more adventures. Check the description for our trip details. And thank you for watching. We'll see you on the next adventure.